Hey Don, how familiar are you with the Corolla 2020? The Corolla 2020 offers you 33 miles per gallon, both city and highway. It also gives you a 5 out of 5 ratings, meaning that it's one of the safest cars out there in the streets. It also comes with the warranty of Toyota for 36 months or 36,000 miles, which is pretty good. It also includes specs such as pedestrian collision assistance, meaning that if there's someone walking in front of you, the Corolla 2020 will make sure you don't accidentally run them over. It also gives you road sign assistance, meaning that if there's a speed limit, a school zone, or a stop sign in front of you, the Corolla 2020 will make sure that you're driving according to law. It also has steering assistance, meaning if you're falling asleep, you're tired or something, and the car notices that you're driving a little funny, the Corolla 2020 will keep you on track.